Buongiorno e benvenuti a casa mia. You are in Veritas, you are in Al Messila Resort Luxury Collection. I'm Stefano Ciotti from Pesaro, Italy, and welcome to my restaurant. Today I'm going to teach you how we make the Cappelletti Di Nonna Rina. Cappelletti Di Nonna Rina, it's a kind of pasta. It's ravioli stuffed with beef meat and Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, the local cheese, lemon skin and nutmeg. E ora prepariamo la nostra ricetta. We start to cook the meat for the feel. So we put the extra virgin olive oil in the pan, a little bit, and 300 grams of meat, chopped meat, with, it's important, garlic, rosemary, and sage. It's very important. Salt and pepper. Like this. It's important you roast in MR.Q, and when it's ready, we put in a bowl like this. Now, Parmigiano Reggiano, it's very important. 4 spoons like this. We mix the meat and the cheese, and the most important ingredient is lemon skin and nutmeg. This is a very typical recipe from my house, from my mommy style. So you have the meat, roasted meat, the local cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano, lemon skin, and nutmeg inside. And now we have the fill. Here we have pasta dough. We make with flour, eggs, a little bit of salt and extra virgin olive oil. And we go to steam it, our pasta. We can make the tagliatelle, we can make the chitarrini, we can make the strozzapreti, a lot of kind of pasta with this dough. But today we make the Cappelletti Di Nonna Rina. You go to cut like this. Now we go to put the meat inside. Now we close the cappelletti by hand. 1, 2, and 3. It's a very traditional pasta. We make the cappelletti because the name in Italy, Cappelletti, it's like a cup, okay, Italian cup. When you go outside, you can put the cup, and it's like a... We cook the cappelletti in boiled water with a little bit of salt inside. Just 2 minutes. When you see the cappelletti go on the top of the water, you can see, just 1 minute, 2 minutes, it's cooked, and we put in another pan like this with a truffle cream. Truffle cream we make with Parmesan, cream, and black truffle inside. Our cappelletti is cooked. And our cappelletti is cooked. We go to remove pan with the cream. A little bit of meat sauce, black pepper, and we are ready for our dish. We go to plating our cappelletti. Look, it's very, very creamous. We go to finish with the spinach cream, and this is a recipe by my mommy, okay? My mommy taught this to me. Finally, some herbs, and that's it. Here we are. We have the Cappelletti di Nonna Rina, like my mommy recipe. I hope you enjoy, and buon appetito! By the way, this is my grandmother's house, and when you come to eat in Veritas restaurant, you can go inside and enjoy the Parmigiano bonbon, the story and the recipe of my family, my mommy, and enjoy.